Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to clear DeepSeek AI chat history. To clear DeepSeek AI chat history, first you have to tap Open the application. Make sure that you are logged in either through the website or the application. After this, tap on the two horizontal lines on your top left. Here, you can see your chat history. Tap on your profile located on the bottom. Here, you can see various options, including your email, privacy policy, app language, contacts, logout, and right below logout, you will see delete all chats. Tap on delete all chats to delete all your chat history. Then this pop-up will appear where it says all chat history for this account will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered once you confirm the deletion. Tap on confirm deletion to clear all your DeepSeek AI chat history. And here you go, you have successfully deleted DeepSeek AI chat history. You can go back and see that you have no chat history here. And that is how you successfully clear DeepSeek AI chat history. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.